Hi, I'm Matt. Today we're going to learn how to replace cracked grout in your tub or shower. To do this, you'll need a pair of rubber gloves, some grout, grout sealer, a clean towel, bleach and water, a putty knife, a grout saw, and an abrasive green pad. The first thing that we do is we use our handy little grout saw, and we're going to get in here between these tiles, and the same motion that you would use to brush your teeth. We're going to go back and forth. We're going to use the saw to remove as much grout as possible. Be careful not to scratch your tile while you're doing this. Keep control of it. We've gone about as deep as we can go. The next step is to clear out any excess grout. We're going to use a 50-50 solution of bleach and water to clean out any excess grout and kill mildew and fungus that may be in there. That's where the gloves come in. And now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and put this aside. We're going to fill these cracks with new grout. You can buy grout dry and mix it with water if you want to. We went ahead and just bought it pre-mixed. All you need is a spatula to apply it. Keep your gloves on in case you need to remove any excess grout from between the joint. Don't worry about getting it on the tile. We can wipe that off later before it dries. We're finished applying the new grout. Want to read the instructions on the grout container. This says allow 48 to 72 hours for full drying. So let it dry before you come back to remove any of the excess grout that's remaining. We've allowed plenty of time for the grout to dry. Now we just come back with a green abrasive pad, some water to clean the dried grout off of the top of the tiles. You never want to use a metal pad because you don't want to scratch the surface of your tiles. All right, we've dried the work area with a towel, and now it's time to apply some grout sealer to our grout. This is the last step. What we do, brush it onto the grout like this. You don't need any gloves or anything. Always read the package. You want to allow the grout sealant to dry for about 48 to 72 hours. Come back and clean any excess off of the tiles at that time. And usually the instructions will just say to wash your hands with soap and warm water when you're finished. Your work area is dry. The grout is sealed. It looks good. And we're done. Good luck.